Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astha here. So today in this video, we are going to make a Corona game. So I have already coded it. So let me tell you how I have coded and designed it. So first of all, I have already coded it. So I will only tell you how I have done this all things and that's it. So first of all, let me tell you how you have to go to the Sprite Lab. In the previous video, I have also given a short intro about what is a Sprite Lab and how can we add images in the Sprite Lab. So today, first of all, we have to go in our Google Chrome or browser or where you want to go. Now you have to search your studio.coder.org. So you must have to sign in if you have not signed in with the Google or with the password. So now here you have to click on the create option. Now we are having five options here: Sprite Lab, Artist, App Lab, Game Lab and Dance Party. So here today we are going to work on the Sprite Lab. We have already worked on the App Lab. So we will soon cover up all those labs and we will do all those things. So like this we are having the screen. Let me show you like this. So let me tell you about some of the blocks. So guys, first of all we have taken a background. Okay, this background I have chosen it from the word. Okay, so here, so now suppose here are we want a simple background. So we can also click on the more option. You will be clicking on this drop down. Then you will be getting these some of the pictures. If you are not able or you didn't like these images, so you can just to click on the more option. Now you can get many more uh, like backgrounds. And if you want to search it, if I want something garden, so here we got the garden. Okay, like this we can have those. So now if you want this one background, now what I'm going to do is you have to search it here. Here we have gotten this. You can see here it is coming. So like this taken. So we are having two options, whether we can choose a color or a background. Okay, now we're having two options of making a new sprite. So first block is this one and the second is you will be getting it, both blocks you will be getting in the sprites. So let me tell you, here is that block. So what is the difference between these two blocks? The only difference is in the first block we have to only take the images. In the second block we can also take the name. You have to click on this my sprite, then you can click on this rename this sprite, or you can rename all the sprite as the same name. That's it. So I have taken this block and I have written this rename this name, and I have written here man, and I have taken this image. If you want this image you can also search it in Google. Okay, so now here we have also set the size. How I have set the size? So I have set the size from the sprites, and then you have to take this block set size to this. Now some people will say that how you have taken this image. So I have taken this image from the Google and I have copied that image. Okay, so I have tell you in the previous video, go and watch my previous video, you will be knowing it very clearly how I have added this image. So I have added this image and then I will be getting it here. Okay, now let me tell you about the one more sprite. This is the virus which I have gotten from the costumes. Okay, so I have got this from the costumes. So how I have gotten this? You must be clicking on the new costume. Now you will be getting these like you can take animals, aquatic objects, and many more. So I have searched your virus. If I search your virus, see there are many viruses. If I have chosen this green one, if you want to choose any other, you can absolutely choose that. Okay. Now, so like this, I have chosen this image and I have dragged it. Now, how I will drag it? Why this block is used for? This is the X and Y position. So when we are going to click on this bulb type button, then we will be able to drag it anywhere. Okay, let me fix it here and let me. So I'm able to drag it anywhere. You can see here. Okay, now we are going to do it same like that man, and I have done it for the virus also. I have set the size to 90. Now there are also some like events. Okay, now let me show you some of the events here. So here are the events. Let me just to make it very clear. So yeah, first of all, let me talk about one by one. Okay, let me put it here. So now the first thing we have done is yeah, so you have to click on the down, we have to click on the arrows. Okay, up, down, right, left for this man, because we have to also move this man. Let me show you. I have done it. Now I am moving my keys, so it is just moving here and there. Okay, so how this is moving? With the help of these blocks, this man is moving here and there. So first of all, we have to choose here while. Do not choose this when, because if you're going to choose when, then you have to click again that button. And if you're going to choose while, then you have to click, you have to only press that button, and this is going to move here and there. So that's it. Now you have to take this block from the events. I have taken this block, and then I have, here are the options. Okay, so like this I have taken. Now I have taken the sprite begins from the behavior. Now you have seen the screen block, then you can drag it and you can write it. You have to like connect this block. Now you have to create a behavior. Okay, you have to go to the behavior, then you have to click on the create a behavior. Okay, then you will be able to get this like block. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how I've done. Okay, so first of all, I have changed this name, name your behavior, so I have named it upward. Now the only thing is, you have to take here if block. You can, if you can get this block from the logic, and then you have to delete this is equal to from here, and then you have to take this is pressed, up is pressed, down is pressed. Okay, now you have to move this sprite. You can change, you can take many blocks. This is the block we are taking here. Now, so you have taken this, now 5 pixel, then you have to take it south, then you have to take edge block for moving. Why we are taking edge block? That the person or this virus cannot be going uh, like, it will come inside the screen, not outside the screen. Okay, like this I have done. Now you have to click on the close option, and that's it. Like this you have to do for the up one also. Only you have to change the name, and what to do is, you have to take all the blocks as same, and then you have to only change this direction. I have done as north. Now let's move on to the right one. In the right one, we have to take here right is pressed, then you have to take here east. Okay, now in the left one, we are going to take left, and then west. Direction is going to be west, and I have changed the name as left direction. So now we are going to have this space pressed. When we are going to press the space, then what is going to happen? So when the like space is pressed, so let me show you. If I'm pressing the space, now you can see the fire is coming, and then uh, the dead coronavirus is coming. Okay, so now we are going to do is, you have to take this block from the events, and then you have to take. Okay, so I've selected here space clicked. You will not take here while, you have to take when. Okay, now we have to first of all to take it, make new sprite, then you have to take the location block, and you will be you have already that block when we are taking any sprite, and then you have to take the x and y position. Like, where is the man? The fireball, the fire is coming uh, with the help of that man in that direction, in that x and y position. So like, for that we have taken this block. And how I have taken this block, let me tell you. So first of all, I have taken from the maths. This is the first one. Then what I have done is, let me show you. I have go to the, okay, let me see here where I have gone. Okay, so we will be getting that block from the, okay, let me see here where I have gotten this block. So I'm taking this block from the x and y position. Okay, so I will be getting this block from the, we will be getting let me see where I have gotten this block. All sprite. Okay, so no problem, you will be yeah, I have gotten that block, I think so. My sprite location. Okay, yeah, I think I have taken this block. Okay, yeah, I got that block. So you have to take this block from the sprites, and then you have to drag it here like this, and then you have to delete this one block. Now you are going to take, you have to go to the sprites and then take, this is my sprite, and then you have to select here man, and you have to change this as 50 like this. We have taken this block. Okay guys, now what we are going to do is, we are going to set the size to 100. Okay, I'm going to set the size as 100, and now I'm taking this sprite begins, and then it is going to move in the east. This block is already in the behaviors, there is no need to make that block. Okay, now you have to also play the sound. You can get this block from the word. Okay, yeah, here is that block, make sound. Then you have to click on the choose, and then you will be getting that block. Now the one last event is, when the fire touches the virus, then what is going to happen? So there then there is happening is, you have to change the costume to the virus to the dead virus. Okay, and it is going to shrink. Let me show you. If I'm clicking space, now you can see this, like this is shrinking. Okay, like this we have shrinking, and then the new sprite is going to be coming. Now it is going to be wandering. So let's see one more time. I click. Now the one more block is just coming. Okay, okay guys, now, so that's all for today's video, and I have also renamed this project as Go Corona Go. And then hope you guys enjoyed the video. If yes, so give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. If you have not joined my telegram group, please do join my telegram group. You will be getting the link in the description box, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also tell me in the telegram group, or also you can send me this game on the telegram group, and I will be getting a big shout out to those people who will send me this game. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.